All right, problem number 10. It says the absolute value of 3x plus 3 is greater than negative 3. Well, let's think about this for a minute. When I have an absolute value, I'm saying, the absolute value of x. If it equaled, let's say, 2, I know I'm going to deal with there's going to be the positive 2 and there's going to be the negative 2. So normally we take this problem, we start off with it, and we say, set that greater than the negative 3, set it, the opposite of that greater than negative 3. But think about this for a minute. This says the absolute value is bigger than negative 3. The absolute value is always positive. So no matter what I come up with here, is it not always going to be bigger than negative 3? Because every time, no matter what I plug into this x, once I take the absolute value of it, I'm going to get a positive number here. Every positive number is bigger than negative 3. So in this situation, all real numbers is the solution. The key is this. When we're dealing with an absolute value, if this is a negative, it's a special case. And you got to think through, hey, what's going on here? Well, in this situation, since it said this, what we have, the absolute value is bigger than that negative 3, we know everybody's going to work. Now, if this had been a less than symbol, if it had had this absolute value of whatever, less than negative 3, we're always going to be positive here. And positives can never be smaller than negative 3. That would be a situation where you say, hey, it's a null set, nobody works. These, again, are special cases. Once you see a negative right here, or either one situation, you have to think it through. You either have two solutions. Either everybody's working, which is what happens when we have a greater than here, or nobody's going to work. It's not going to be possible for any x value to work. And that's what will happen when you have a less than. The key is, as soon as you see this negative 3 over here, or a negative number, you got to realize, wait, this is a special case. There's problem 10. The answer to problem 10 is all real numbers.